Hi everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the Wi-Fi problem on an ASUS TUF F15 laptop. Let's get started. If your Wi-Fi icon has completely disappeared from Windows, or you can't connect, this is a common but frustrating issue. We'll go through a series of fixes, from simple software settings to a more involved hardware check. Step 1. Basic troubleshooting and network reset. First, restart your laptop. This can resolve temporary software glitches. If that doesn't work, ensure airplane mode is turned off in the Windows Quick Settings panel. Next, we'll perform a network reset. Go to Windows Settings, Network and Internet, Advanced Network Settings. At the bottom, click on Network Reset. This will remove and reinstall all your network adapters and reset related settings to default. Your PC will restart. This often fixes driver corruption issues. Step 2. Update Windows and check for driver issues. Outdated system files can cause hardware conflicts. Go to Settings, Windows Update, and click Check for Updates. Download and install all available updates, including optional driver updates if offered. Restart your PC after the updates are complete. Next, we need to manually check the network driver. Right-click the Start button and select Device Manager. Look for the Network Adapters section and expand it. If your Wi-Fi adapter is missing or has a yellow exclamation mark, that's the problem. If you see it, right-click on it and select Update Driver. Choose Search automatically for drivers. If Windows finds an update, install it and restart. Step 3. Reinstall the Wi-Fi driver manually. If updating didn't work, we need to install the driver from scratch. Back in Device Manager, right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter, or if it's missing, look under Other Devices. For an unknown device, unselect Uninstall Device. Important, check the box that says, Attempt to remove the driver software for this device, and then click Uninstall. Once done, restart your laptop. Windows will automatically attempt to reinstall the generic driver on reboot. This clean installation can resolve deep-seated driver corruption. Step 4. Update your laptop's BIOS. An outdated BIOS can cause hardware communication failures, including with the Wi-Fi card. This is a crucial step. Open your web browser and go to the official ASUS support website. Find your exact TUF F15 model. Navigate to the Driver and Utility or Support section. Select your operating system, and find the BIOS and firmware category. Download the latest BIOS file. Follow the instructions in the downloaded file or on the ASUS website, precisely, to update your BIOS. Warning: do not turn off or restart your laptop during the BIOS update process. Let it complete fully. Step 5. Physical check and reseat the Wi-Fi card advanced. If all software steps fail, the issue might be a loose connection. This involves opening the laptop's back panel. You will need a Phillips screwdriver and, ideally, an anti-static wrist strap. Power off the laptop, unplug it, and remove the battery if possible. Unscrew all screws on the bottom panel, and use a plastic prying tool to carefully remove the back cover. Locate the Wi-Fi card. It's a small rectangular module, usually near the center or bottom, with two thin antenna wires, black and white, connected to it. Gently disconnect these antenna cables by pulling up on their metal connectors. Unscrew the single screw holding the Wi-Fi card in place. The card will pop up at an angle. Gently pull it out from its slot. Use a dry cloth or a cotton swab to gently clean the golden contacts on the card. You can also use isopropyl alcohol for a better clean. Let it dry completely. Then, carefully reinsert the card into its slot at an angle, press it down, and secure it with the screw. Reconnect the antenna cables, ensuring they snap firmly into place. The black wire goes to the main port, and the white to the auxiliary. Replace the back panel, screw it in, and power on your laptop. This physical reseating fixes many disappearing hardware issues caused by heat expansion loosening the connection over time. If none of these steps restore your Wi-Fi, The network card itself may be faulty and require professional replacement.